welcome back to MyGo Minds. So today in this video, you're going to learn operators in Python. So in this video, you will get to learn what is an operator and the types of operators and also few example programs on each operator. Okay, so what is exactly an operator mean is that it is a symbol that represents an operation to be performed on one or more operands. So I'll tell you what is operands. Operands are nothing but, so let me give an example. A is equals to 5. B is equals to 6. C is equals to A plus B. Okay. So let me print this and execute. So the answer is 11, right? So 5 plus 6 is 11. So here A, comma B are called as operands. Okay, and plus is called as an operator. Okay, so basically an operand is a value or a variable and it is used as input to an operator to perform a specific task. Okay, and also operators are used to manipulate the data, perform calculations, compare values, and also to control the flow of a program. So, and in operators we have many types of operators. Like main types of operators in Python are arithmetic operators, comparison operators, assignment operators, logical operators, membership operators, identity, and also bitwise operators. So let us deep dive into these operators. So more videos, please do follow MyGo Minds, and also we do have our Instagram and Telegram, which is MyGo Minds. Please do follow us. Thank you so much.